VILTROX EF-EOS mount, made in China. EF-EOS-M autofocus mount adapter. VILTROX. Got 2 safety seals on it. One there. One over here. Let's see what it looks like. Some instructions on how to use it. Little thing saying about, it's like registration card. And here it is. Da, 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 da. Caps. Nice. That'll come in handy. Put the cap there. Take this one. This. Line them up. Wait. There's half of it. Ooh, nice and smooth. Let me take the other half. Red to red. Where's my red? Maybe white. White. Ooh, fits both of them. Yay! Now, let's see how well it does things. Oh. Do I have any battery left in my camera? Probably not. Oh, I do! Yay! Look! It's actually focusing on me! Yay! And there we go. All in focus. Oh, I love this thing! Ah! There we go! The VILTROX EF-EOS-M adapter. It works! I didn't try the autofocus. I was on manual focus just for, let's flick it into autofocus and just see if that works. Although I'm not even sure if I have an autofocus lens on right now. Oh, I do. There we go. This is the autofocus. There we go. Autofocus works too. Oh, I love it. I'm going to get use out of my old lenses. Woo! I like manual focus better though. Good. Now I will be able to have my thing still. Yay! Now, how am I going to undo this? Oh, that was so intuitively easy. I love it. Now, which way does this go? Nice and easy. Off, out, done. Now we do this one. Off, out, done. VILTROX. I love this new thing. And turn my camera off, which is right here. Now put my old lens back in. White to white. There. Perfect. Fit all sorts of lenses on this thing now. Why did I wait so long to get one of these? I don't know. But it's going to save me a lot of money because I've been buying cameras where I should have just been buying lenses. Woo!